Greetings to all melanated people all around the world. It's really a joy, it's a pleasure, it's a blessing being out here in nature and greeting you, bringing a message to you, a message of emancipation and a message of self-realization, a message of self-help where you can help yourself if you would only believe the message that I'm bringing to you and you would look to self instead of looking to a power outside of yourself. Now, my brother and my sisters, with that being said, without any further ado, I want to speak to you concerning thoughts are money. Thoughts are money. You know, many people look at money as if they can't live without money. And they fail to realize that before there was money, there has always been thoughts. There have always been the mind. There have always been the creative power. There have always been the power of imagining. And that money was first a thought. Money was first imagined. Therefore, when I say thoughts are money, you need to realize that thoughts are energy, and thoughts vibrate, and everything is energy and vibration. Even as I speak to you, it's vibration, because life is like music. You have an air drum, and inside of you, you have organs. Therefore, you have to use your thoughts wisely. You have to invest your thoughts. That's the reason why even the Bible admonishes you not to get involved in idle speaking and foolish gesturing. And also admonishes you to be fervent in business, and that you must not be conformed to the thinking of the world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Now, if thoughts are money, it means thoughts can attract money. But money don't attract thoughts, because money is the creation. But you are the creator, because the creator is your own human imagination, the invisible man, the Christ of which the Bible speaks. So my brother and my sisters, when you get to understand that your thoughts are money, you will come to realize that you do not have to work for money. You can have money work for you. And that you do not have to be a slave to money. Money can be your slave. And that you do not have to be a follower of money. Money can be your follower. Because your thoughts are your disciples. They follow you wherever you go. And your thoughts are your angels that bring messages to you, because angels are messengers and they bring message to and fro from you. That's the reason why we have to watch what we are thinking or what we are imagining. Now, everyone believes that there is one creator. Everyone believes that there is one God. And everyone believes when the Bible says, hear you, Israel, the Lord thy God is one God. But few fail to realize that if there's only one God and there's only one creator, there have to be only one creative power. And the only creative power there is in this world is the power of imagining. Therefore, if the only creative power is imagining, then the creator have to be your own human imagination. For everything in this world was first imagined. And in St. John 1 and verse 3 tells you that all things was made by him. And without him there isn't anything made that was made. My friends, all things in this world that was made was first imagined. And without imagination there isn't anything made that was made. Therefore that him is a personification of your own human imagination. Therefore, when one goes to work, you're exchanging your thoughts and your time and your energy for money. Therefore, when you come to realize and understand this truth that I'm bringing to you, you come to realize that you are above money and that you're not supposed to allow money to enslave you, but enrich yourself in having the right thoughts and cultivate the right thoughts in your mind. Therefore, if thoughts are money, you need to get rid of jealousy, envy, malice, prejudice, and so on. That's the reason why, my brothers and sisters, when they teach us in school about slavery, it is because they wanted us to focus our energy in the wrong direction. It is because they wanted us to use our energy negatively. When we see our brothers and sisters being killed innocently, it is to get you to use your energy negatively. And when you've been indoctrinated into Christianity and to condemn and judge everyone who speak different to your ideology or your theology, you call them devils and demons and speak evil things towards them and tell them about hell and death and where they will spend eternity. It is because you're not learning how to circulate your energy, your thoughts, which is your money, which is your wealth, which is your fullness, which is your plenty. So the key to your prosperity is your energy, which is your thoughts. The key to your health has to do with how you think. So my brothers and my sisters, if you change your mind or rearrange your mind or change your thinking, you will change your life. So if you want to move from a state of poverty into a state of affluence, having in abundance, all you have to do is rearrange your mind, change your thinking, go on some mental diet where you're thinking positive all the time and you believe in yourself and you put trust in yourself because you believe God to be your own human imagination and you put your trust in your own human imagination instead of believing in a man 2,000 years ago, which never happened. So my brother and my sisters, all I'm doing here is encouraging you to use your thoughts wisely and to know there's no difference between thoughts and money, because your thoughts are money. All you have to do is just rearrange your mind, just think differently and be positive in every situation and learn that all the experiences in life, that they are lessons to lift you higher so that you will discover your higher self. Okay, so with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to thank you very much for listening to me, and I want to encourage you to support my ebooks and to read them over and over and over and over and become a doer. Practice what I am encouraging you to do in these books. Okay, practice to always use the single eye and always to commune with your own heart upon your bed and be still. Practice to be quiet by getting into meditation, and make sure that you always pray according to Matthew 6:6 and Psalms 4:4. Never go on your knees and bow down or kneel down and pray to a God outside of yourself, but believe in the God that is within you and use your energy to attract any amount of money that you desire to help you to live your life in happiness and contentment. So with that being said, I want to give you the sign of the rising sun, the sign of the single eye, where it says in Matthew 6:22, if your eye be single, your whole body will be full of light. And my brother and my sister, when you practice the single eye and you become the light of the world, you will understand that without the sun, there is no life. And without the human imagination, there isn't anything made that was made. And you will understand that the sunlight that is above you is within you, and that the sun parallels the human imagination, and both create reality. So that means I want to say peace, love you, I'm out.